Okay, this is the solution. I'm going to go through the solution for the negative numbers worksheet. If you have the worksheet but you have not done it, please go and do it first before watching this video. If not, it's not going to be beneficial to you. For those of you who have already finished, okay, we will not wait further. We will just continue. Thank you. So negative number worksheet. First, evaluate the following using a number line. So 3 minus 5. 3. So we'll start with 3. We'll draw a basketball here. Remember in the PowerPoint, we draw a basketball. Okay, so we have a ball here. And then minus 5. I'm going to shift to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm going to, it's minus 5. That's why I shift to the left by 5. So the answer is minus 2 because I land on minus 2. They like just try to give me problems. Oh yeah. Okay, sorry. It just looks so gross. Let me just erase this. Minus 2. Oh, I can't write my 2 properly. Sorry. Let me erase this line here. Ugh. Okay. Two. Great technology. All right, next. 7 minus 3. So same thing. We start at 7. And then we move to the left by 3. 1, 2, 3. And we land on 4. I mean, this one you don't even need the number line, but just to practice how the number line works. Okay, so I'm sure you have the number answer is just 4. Then we continue. Minus 8 plus 5. This time we'll start here on the left, minus 8. And then we're going to shift to the right because it's a plus. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here. Minus 3. Okay. Next. Minus 4 minus 3. Sorry, the font looks a bit different, but it's just negative 4 minus 3. Right. So negative 4 is here. Move to the left by 3. 1, 2, 3. So we end up at negative 7. And continue. Question 2. We come to question 2. You may use a number line if need to. Okay, if you still cannot, you can use a number line. But otherwise, I'm not going to use a number line. Minus 3 plus 5. So I'm going to imagine. Okay, I'm at minus 13. I'm at this point called minus 13. Minus 13, I shift to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Imagine in my head. So I shift by 5. Minus 12, minus 11, minus 10, minus 9, minus 8. The answer is minus 8. So if you are using a number line, this is what you do. Okay. The next question, I'm going to do something different. I'm just going to adjust it. Okay. 8 plus minus 5. Now, you can use the number line. For me, I'm just going to do plus and minus. Remember the multiply rule? Plus minus will give you minus because the sign are different. So you're going to be 18 minus. It still becomes minus because plus minus the sign is different. So result is minus. So minus, it become minus 5. 13. You can try it out. Use the number line, you see whether you get the same answer. Okay, next one, minus 4 plus 18. This one you can also adjust. You can shift it left and right. It will give you the same answer. It's the same as 18 minus 4. Then it will become a lot easier, right? It become 14. Again, try with the number line for yourself. At this stage of you, in time when you're just starting to learn negative numbers, try it out. Use number line to check. Use calculator to check. Convince yourself that you are doing it the right way. convince yourself that whatever you are doing, this new theory that you understand and concept that you understand and you're doing it the right way. It's very important to have that kind of confidence. But at the same time, don't be, uh, don't have the wrong confidence. Then you end up continuing the wrongness, doing it wrong. So use calculator to check or use number line to check. Okay, this, if you are smart enough, minus minus through the earlier question, minus minus, the two signs is the same, right? So it become 11 minus minus is a plus 23. Sorry, I don't know why the two refused to come out. You see, when I'm writing on something, I always have problem when I'm writing on a PDF. I don't have issue when I'm writing on Word. Maybe I should have written on. I have done this on Word instead. PDF is just, I don't know. It's a good thing, but somehow file sharing system. But this their technology of mark on PDF is just not good. Okay, so 23 plus 11 give you 34. Minus 5 plus 7. Okay, maybe I can expand further, but it's very big already. Forget it. Minus 5 plus 7. Okay, this one very simple. I'm just going to adjust it. 7 minus 5 will give me 2. Okay, again, I'm not going to try with the number line. You're going to double check with the number line for yourself. I'm just going to give you all the answers and my solutions. Now, minus minus. So what does it give you? 13 minus minus. The two signs are the same. So your result is a plus 4. Give you 17. Minus 20 plus 10 is the same as 10 minus 20. Minus 10. Okay, this one maybe you might want to use number line. Or you can think of it as you owe your friend minus negative, you owe your friend $20. You return 10. How much left? Then it makes more sense. Okay, so question 3. See, I never asked you to use number line. So by right, you're supposed to use your 4 golden rules or my special rules to you to do. 8 times minus 3. Positive, negative. So your answer will be negative. 8 times 3, 24. Every time the 2 just cannot come out properly. PDF. Okay. Minus 4 times minus 3. Oh, cannot erase some more. Oh, can. Ayo. Negative, negative. Negative, negative, 2 negative. The signs are the same. So it give you a positive value. So my answer is positive. 4 times 3, 12. Negative, positive, negative. Okay. So 40. Continue. Negative, negative. Both signs are the same. Positive answer. So 4 times 7, 28. Positive, negative. Sign is different. So your answer is negative 16. Negative, positive. Sign is different. So it's negative. For 7 times 3, 21. Aya, why the 2 always got problem? Okay, 3 times 9. Okay, this is just your normal. If you cannot do, I nothing to say. Go back to primary 3. 27. 3 times 6. One is positive, one is negative. Your resulting answer is negative 18. Okay, we're going to try some division. Notice that I didn't do any division in the PowerPoint. So, but actually not much difference. It's still the same. Multiply or divide is actually the same. The same rules apply. So 20 divide by negative 4. So same thing. 20 is positive. Divide by negative 4, negative. So positive, negative. Both signs are the same. So your resulting answer is negative. 20 divided by 4, 5. Okay. Now it's division. You can't use the number line. You can check your answer with the calculator if you want to. Negative 28 divided by negative 7. So negative, negative. Same sign. So your answer is positive. 28 divided by 7. Now you should notice that a lot of this you have to be very good in your multiplication table. There's no time for you to waste. Oh my god, what is this number? Let me check. So if you're very bad in your multiplication table, I'm just gonna say once again, go back, memorize until you are so good that you can get it instantaneously. Okay, 21 divided by minus 3. Positive, negative, negative 7. 80 divided by minus 4. Positive, negative, so negative answer, so 20. Okay, the numbers are slightly bigger. This one is not so much a multiplication table. You can do at the side if you need to. 39 divided by minus 3. Negative 39 divided by minus 3. Negative, negative. So your resulting answer is positive. 39 divided by 3. You can do at the side. You will get 13. Okay, and that's it. Okay, I have reached the end of the paper. I hope you have let me just shrink this because I don't write anymore. Yeah, I hope you have gotten some understanding of how negative numbers works. It's very important because when it comes to algebra, all these skills are needed. Algebra is simply we replace the numbers with a symbol. So it gets more complicated if you are already not sure about the operation and then you have symbol to deal with. So please practice this. If you are anything you're unsure, go to the Telegram chat, message me. I will reply to you whenever I can. All right, thank you very much.